Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily save the power in your Samsung Smart Monitor. Actually, in this monitor we do have a whole variety of the power saving options, and to enter them, at first go to the left, to the control panel. Now go down to the settings and click all settings here. Now scroll down to the general privacy and find power and energy saving. Now to save the energy, open the first option and enable that. Here, as you can see, you can disable and enable this option using just a simple click. Here we can enable the brightness optimization too and set the minimum brightness as you want, even to 0. Of course, you can do this up to your own preferences, but I'd recommend to have this option turned on when you want, of course, and this option to have the minimum brightness enabled based on the ambient light level. Here they have, as you can see, motion lighting, which reduces the power consumption with motion sensitive brightness control. You can enable that. It's very useful actually. Here we can see that we have a screensaver, and as you can see, activate the screensaver when your smart monitor displays a still image for 2 hours or more. And it's just a screensaver like it's in every single monitor. Here we have auto power off, which is a very nice feature, and our monitor will be powered off after 4 hours of displaying the same thing. Here we can disable this, backing off, but to save power we can decrease the value. The best is 4 actually, to save the power. Here we have, as you can see, sleep timer, which automatically turns off the smart monitor after a preset period of time. We can set it for example, 30 minutes or off, but to save power we can set it to the 30 minutes. Here, as you can see, they have off timer, and here automatically turn off the smart monitor at a preset time. Here we can set up it, for example, to every day, set time, for example, to the 10 p.m. and that's how it works. We can disable the off timer for now, so that my monitor won't turn off during the moment. And here, as part of that, we do have standby mode, and standby mode is just screen will go into standby mode and will be black after, for example, here 60 seconds, 30 or 90 or etc. You can just have this option enabled. This option is already a power saving mode. You can disable this option, but then you won't save the power in this monitor. And that's how all the power energy saving works. If you want more tips about this monitor, check our channel because we have more than 100 videos about this monitor. Goodbye!